name's Susan Williams. I'm a local tattoo artist and painter here in Sandpoint, Idaho. I created this piece in conjunction with La Chic Boutique to raise awareness around mental illness. About a year ago, I was diagnosed with bipolar disorder. Having a diagnosis really provided me with a deeper understanding of what I was going through, and also pushed me to pursue a deeper level of vulnerability in my creative process. Then, not fighting it and embracing it has allowed me to actually find so much peace within myself. I just hope to inspire empathy and honesty and openness through my art. This figure is symbolic of the ability to find shelter and refuge in the midst of chaos.